Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the incredible story of how a tiny roadside stand became a global fast food giant. Our story begins in the California desert, back in 1940. Two brothers, Dick and Mac McDonald, opened a small barbecue joint in San Bernardino. It was a simple setup, but their food was so good that people lined up for miles, eager to get a taste. The brothers were successful, but they knew they could do something even bigger, something faster. And that's when the real revolution began. In 1948, they completely redesigned their kitchen, creating what they called the Speedee service system. Imagine a factory assembly line, but for food. They streamlined everything, focusing on a simple menu of just 9 items, including their now famous hamburgers, fries, and shakes. This system was unbelievably efficient. They could pump out burgers at an incredible rate, drastically cutting customer wait times. This wasn't just a restaurant anymore. It was the birth of fast food as we know it. Then, a man named Ray Kroc entered the picture. He was an energetic salesman who sold milkshake machines. When he visited the McDonald brothers restaurant, he was blown away by their operation. He didn't just see a burger stand, he saw a blueprint for an empire. He convinced the brothers to let him franchise their concept. A map of the USA began to light up with new McDonald's locations, starting with his first store in Des Plaines, Illinois, in 1955. Ray's vision and drive were unstoppable, and the franchise model exploded in popularity. By 1962, the brand needed a symbol, and the iconic Golden Arches logo was born, becoming a beacon for hungry travelers everywhere. Soon after, a friendly clown named Ronald McDonald appeared, creating a fun, family-friendly image for the growing chain. The expansion didn't stop at the US border. The first international restaurant opened in Canada in 1967, and by 1965, the company had already celebrated opening its 1,000th store. The growth was happening at a breathtaking pace. From that point on, McDonald's went truly global. Today, you can find over 40,000 McDonald's restaurants in more than 100 countries. From a humble barbecue stand in the desert to a worldwide empire, the story of McDonald's is a powerful testament to innovation, vision, and the simple appeal of a good burger served fast. What an incredible journey! Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.